All right, so you get to the top of Diamond Point and you see these signs that say no more public access. So a couple options. You just go through like apparently a lot of people are still doing. But option number two, in case you don't want to break the rules, just come back down the sidewalk here, and within about 50 yards, you get to the Mountain Wash Trail. All right, let's give her a go. I think what you're gonna find is that this trail is not gonna be as easy as walking up or riding up pavement, right? You're gonna have to ride and do some work here. Ooh, something in the bushes over there. You do have kind of these little techie sections here. Ooh, there we go. A little rough. All right, so it took me a couple of cracks at the one narrow section. So this next section of trail is just kind of long and straight, so I'm going to throw in a little bit of my thoughts about it. It is, obviously, it's not as easy as riding straight up to, on pavement, right to the other part of the trailhead. But my recommendation is that you jump the curb as you're driving or riding up to Diamond Point. Jump the curb and just go right to the entrance of this trail. That'll save you some time having to backtrack from Diamond Point. And I think it'll be pretty much a wash when you think about the time it takes to climb and just get through the gates and stuff like that. It's definitely more difficult, but I think it's got some fun challenges. The sand, there's a couple of sandy sections that are not fun. No surprise there. But you know what? If this can keep everybody happy and keep the trails open, then it's not a bad little section. And you know, it will test you. It'll test your endurance just a little bit. Got my heart rate up. And just another way to start the trail. Not too bad though. And nice work by those who cleaned it up, because this used to be a disaster. So nice work. So as I hear people hitting the trail from the other entrance, I get a little jealous. But this is all right. So that last little section, power through it. That's it. Alrighty. GoPro, stop recording.